Yes, you already know by the title, the thumbnail, and this intro. It's another edition of Cooking with Katrina in my priceless kitchen. Well, today's video is part 2, week 2 of the Daniel fast. I hope you enjoyed last week's recipes. And this week, the menu is roasted vegetables and a 15 bean soup. Now you know that sounds good. So we'll start off by washing and dicing our yellow squash and our zucchini. So here's a little tip. As seen, when I take the tops off and the lids off, I simply place the lid in the top. That way, the seasonings, they all go together. No mix-up at all. Now, if you're new here, I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. Well, today I'm in my priceless kitchen, but other days it's all about home decor, cleaning motivation, vlogs, and so much more. So I would love for you to join my growing Priceless family. It's free and it's fun, and all you need to do is click that subscription and click that notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload.
I
So out of the oven after 20 minutes on 375 degrees and finishing it off with just a light sprinkle of salt. And these are so good. And that crock pot, well, it's done its job. And cooking on slow for about 6 hours. Yeah, this 15 bean soup is what I need because it's like 30 degrees. And yeah, this soup is what I need. So thank you so much for spending time with me in my Price's Kitchen for part 2 of the Daniel Fast meal prep. Now, come on, take a bite along with me. Appreciate you stopping by the Johnson Ranch one more time to see what I'm doing here. Well, that's all for today, and until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.
But you knew me before I was born, so why would I try to do this on my own? I will stand still.
One last thing, make sure you subscribe.